Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax of Houston, coming to you today with a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 23 SPX Outboard. Wanted to do a quick walkthrough, show you some of the great features about this boat. I'm starting at the bow. It's really spacious, got tons of room for 2 to 3 people. There's an anchor locker here. There's storage under both of these seats. You'll notice cup holders. This boat also has the optional courtesy LED lighting package. There's an additional ski locker up front. As we make our way back, there's a walk-through wind block here. This is a door that comes over with the windshield closed to keep all the wind out of the cockpit on those cool days or days that you just don't want your hair blowing back. As we make our way to the port side, this is a really unique feature for a 23-foot boat. This boat actually has a head. It's got a pump-out porta potty there that does pump out overboard. All your woven flooring is in there that snaps out, easy to clean, nice on the feet. There's a nice dash here with a cup holder as well. As we move over to the captain's seat, at the helm, you'll see it's got the optional Simrad touchscreen display. That's a 5-inch GPS, chart plotter, fish finder, your depth finder all in one. Fusion head unit here. It's got USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, all that stuff. Stainless steel gauges, tilt steering for the driver. Very nice and comfortable. Everything's very easy to use. Bolstered seat for safety to get you up in the air when you're pulling a skier or wakeboard from the optional watersports tower. This boat has the elevation package. Watersports tower with a tow point. It's got ski racks that come with it. Great for all the lake activities and fun family stuff you want to do while you're on the water. You've got this flip-up seat here that turns the port side captain's chair into a rear-facing lounger, so you can lay back. You've got, of course, storage under all these seats. Everything's very well organized on the Sea Ray. You've got more storage over here. This is actually an insulated cooler. There's a removable cooler under there. More storage back here. And then another really cool part, with this being an outboard boat, you've got your flip-up rear-facing backrest here, so you can lay facing back and hang out at the back of the boat. You'll see you have another ski pylon there for water sports. And then being an outboard, you've got a ginormous storage compartment here for all your wakeboards, tubes, skis, extra life jackets, things like that. And this is powered by a 200 horsepower white Mercury outboard. Great performing boat. This is an awesome boat for the family. Get on the lake, enjoy water sports, have fun. Thank you for taking a look at this 23 SPX Outboard by Sea Ray here at MarineMax of Houston. My name is Steven Smith. Come see us today.